Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today we've just got in some new headphones from Skullcandy, which is the Hesh 3 Wireless Perfection, and we've got up to 22 hours battery life, rapid charge, and of course Bluetooth. So we're going to give you a quick unboxing first before we give them a full review. And off the bat, they have some similarities to the Crusher Wireless, which we've done before, which are an excellent pair of headphones which are still used today. So onto the side, we've got refined premium acoustics, noise isolating, and a built-in mic, and call track and volume control keys on the headset itself. And on the back here, it'll also tell you premium internally amplified audio drivers to deliver powerful crystal clear acoustics, over-ear memory foam ear pads which create comfortable and noise isolating fit, articulating hinges and foldable design for compact storage and transport, and included is an auxiliary cable for listening, and 10 minutes of charging gives you 4 hours of playback, which is pretty cool indeed. So we'll take off the plastic and check out what they are like in the flesh. So just throw that to one side. So just a quick look again here in case the light was a bit reflective. So the box opens like so, and on the inside here it'll say press and hold here for pairing. So that's your Bluetooth pairing, which will take 3 seconds, and your on and off pair devices and so on. You can see the mold here which pops in onto this one here, which looks pretty nice. So what we have here is our accessory box with the looks of it, and we've got our charging cable there, our auxiliary cable there, and some information booklets inside. So we'll pop that away, just have a quick look here, and there is some branding on these here. As you can see, there's a little head of Skullcandy. So we'll pop these out and just make sure that's it, and that is it, nothing else in the box. So this is what they look like here, and immediately you can see some really nice padding here underneath the head. Up on top is plastic, and the same again on the sides here, and of course we have the logo on both sides, and we can see they're adjustable like so, fairly clicky, so they'll be fairly solid. And this is a metal band and with some plastic on it too, so pretty sturdy indeed. And just a closer look at the headband there, and there seems to be an indentation here which would probably be for the likes of VR headsets and all, if you're wearing something like that. Onto the cups and so on, here we can see we have a decent turning angle here on both sides, and there's play on them here going in and out. And on this side here we have our keys here, as you can see, and they are slightly raised, so that'll be good for navigation blindly. We have our LED status light here, micro USB charger, and 3.5mm headphone socket all on one side, and nothing on this side. So everything is done from the one side, which is probably the best option, I think. Anyway, as for the cups, you can see they're fairly deep and they look pretty nice indeed, and they're very, very comfortable with nice leather padding on them there, and very, very soft, so that looks good for long-term use. And we look forward to testing them out, and of course they fold up as well like so for transportation. Unfortunately there's no carry case involved here this time around. The last couple of sets that we've had had the little carry bag inside. They left these out. No big deal, but something just to keep in mind. And that is it for now. So any questions, give us a shout at techbuzzlearning.com. Stay tuned for more coming soon. We've lots of tech on the way. And we'll talk to you in the next one.